Hello, in this video we are going to cover date and time, and Python handles date and time in several ways. And yeah, so let's start with this. So first of all, we need to import the time module. So to import the time module, you just do import time like so. And now if we do something like what is var1, if we do equals to time.time, and now let's print the contents of var1 and let's see what we get. Okay, so we get this value. You might be thinking, okay, what is this value? How does it matter to me? And well, it's essentially referred to as ticks, and it's the number of ticks since epoch time. And epoch time is widely considered in as 12 a.m. 1st of January 1970. And that's it, really. There's not much more to it than that. You might be thinking, why would I ever need to use this? If you're trying to keep track of something, epoch is a great thing to use because you know exactly when it started, the exact time date. So if you're trying to work out how much time has passed, let's say if you click a button and you click the button again, how much time has passed between the two clicks? Well, it'll just be the difference between the first epoch and the second epoch. That'll give you the exact tick amount. And on top of that, you can, convert that to seconds, you can convert it to minutes, hours, days, etc., etc. So what else do we have? What else? So if we print ticks here. So there is also stuff called time tuples. We can get the current time. So let's look at getting the current time. So the current time is pretty easy. Obviously, make sure you have the import time module. And if we have, let's say, local, so this will be the local time, and I'll assign it to time.local time, and we need to specify time.time as the parameter as well. And let's print this out and see what we get. Print local, run it. So we're gonna run has now attribute module time and now attribute local time. Okay. Lowercase t. Programming. So there we go. It says it is 2018, which it is. It says it's the month, 5th month, which is January, February, March, April, May. 5th month, yes, it's the 17th. And now it gives us the time. So 13, 33, 35. I'm thinking why is it a bit off? It's just due to daylight savings. But that gives you the time, and obviously you can manipulate that further and just access individual values. So you can also do stuff like get formatted time. So if we get formatted time, so if we do time local, and if we assign it to the value of time dot ASC time dot local time, and we just specify the time method or the parameter. Yeah, we need an extra bracket. Print time local, and let's have a look at what we get. There we go. This is a slightly more formatted version. Obviously, that's a lot more readable than this. So what else can we do? We can get calendar for a month as well. So for that we need to do another import. So we will need to do generally imports are just at the top of the page. It's different there, right? Import. This would be calendar. Just label all of this. And this is formatted time, and now we are going to do calendar stuff. So first of all, let's create a calendar variable and I set it to calendar.month, and let's see if we did 2008 and we specified 1. So what do you think we're going to get with this? What do you think? Try and pause the video, try and take a guess, and let's have a look. So there we go. We literally get the calendar for the month of January in 2008. And you might be thinking, why do we need to specify the year? Because, well, you know, you get certain months like February, that could, you know, change in terms of the amount of days it has, depending on whether it's a leap year or not. So that's the main reason why. And the other reason is the 1st of January was on Tuesday in 2008, but it won't be on Tuesday in 2007 or 2009. So you also, for that main reason as well. So let's have a look at the time module. Has, you know, so many functions. It has a clock function, it has local time function, sleep function, time function. It has, you know, alternative zone functions. The calendar module has so many functions. It checks if it's a year is a leap year, if it's the first day of the week, a month calendar. It has so many extra modules and functions, and we've covered a few of them, and what we've covered here is enough to get you started. If you understand what we've done in this video, you're all good to go. But I'll provide a link with this video so you can actually enhance your experience and actually check out the other features as well. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.